Hey everyone! Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to easily make or create Ben 10 in Infinite Craft game. So, let's get started. First thing first, take earth and put in the field, and then take water and put in the earth. When you do that, you will get plant, and after that, take plant and put in the plant. When you do this step, guess what? You will get tree. After that, take water and put in the tree. When you do this, voila! You will get river. Then, take tree and put in the river. When you do this, guess what? You will get paper. Now, take paper and put in the paper that is in the field. When you do that, you will get book. Now, go to the other side. Take earth and put in the field. And after that, take wind and put in the earth. When you do this, you will get dust. Now, the next step is to take fire from the list and then put in the dust. When you do that, voila! You will get ash. After that, take tree from the list and put in the ash. When you do this, you will get pencil, and then take earth and put in the pencil. When you do this, voila! You will get drawing. Now, it's time to combine these elements. Take drawing and put in the book. When you do that, you will get comic. Now, again take drawing from the list and put in the comic that you just made. When you do this, voila! Guess what? You will get cartoon. Don't stop here. Our destination is near. Now, the next step is to go to the other side. Take dust and put in the field. And then, take water and put in the dust. When you do this, voila! You will mud. Now, again and again, go to another side. Take earth and put in the field. Then, take dust from the list and put in the earth that is in the field. When you do this, voila! You will get planet. Now, once more time, go to other side. Take fire from the list and put in the field. And then take wind from the list and put in the fire that is in the field. When you do this, you will get smoke. Now, take water from the list and put in the smoke that you just made. When you do this, voila! You will get fog. Now, it's time to combine these elements. Take fog and put in the planet. When you do this, you will get Venus planet. And further, take Venus and put in the mud. When you do this, voila! You will get Adam. Now, take Venus from the list and put in the atom that is in the field. When you do this, you will get Eve. Now, the next step is to take Adam from the list and put in the Eve that you just made. When you put Adam in the Eve, voila! You will get human. And then take human from the list and put in the human. When you do this, voila! You will get family. And then, again take human from the list and put in the family that you just made. When you do this, you will get baby. Now, take baby from the list and put in the baby. When you put baby in the baby, you will get child. Now, it's time to combine these elements. Take child and put in the cartoon. When you do this, voila! You will get Cartoon Network. Now, again go to other side. Take water and put in the field. Then, take fire and put in the water. When you do this, you will get steam. Now, again take fire from the list and put in the steam. When you do this, voila! You will get engine. And then, take engine from the list and put in the engine. When you do this, you will get rocket. Now, the last step is to combine these elements. Take Rocket and put in the Cartoon Network. When you do this last step, voila! Guess what? You have just crafted Ben 10. Congratulations! You have successfully made Ben 10 in Infinite Craft Game. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. And tell us in the comments which alien of Ben 10 do you like. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.